Good morning, everyone. Asha here from Pandamonium. We are in Winslow, Arizona at the McHood Park. It is free camping for 14 days. I had an issue with my security solar, so I'm not sure. We tested the solar panel and it's putting out wattage, so I believe it's the batteries. I mean, these LED lights are supposed to be rated for like over 50,000 hours, so I seriously doubt it is the lights. I think it's the batteries that have conked out, because they are lithium batteries and they're only rated to last so many cycles. So I'm gonna check those. I'm gonna put some new batteries in it and see if that helps. There are 4 screws that hold the back plate on. I'm gonna take those off, and the batteries are located in here. Alright, I have removed all 4 screws. I'm just gonna pry this back off. And there's the batteries that I have to replace. Hopefully that's the case. Guess I could check the batteries real quick and see what voltage they're putting out. I was really hoping that they were regular, like lithium batteries. So it does seem like I'm gonna have to replace that battery. I'm gonna have to find a store that carries that specific battery. I wish it was just a regular lithium batteries, the rechargeables, but it's not. So I'm gonna have to find a specialty store and see if I can replace that battery. So I've come into the town of Winslow, Arizona, which is right there. The corner is back behind me. I've been here before with Carolyn, RV Joey, and also Eric. This is the historic Wagon Road. Here's some information if you'd like to pause and read. Yes. Such a good girl. Wow, look at that archway in the distance. That looks old. Very southwestern. That was part of the historic La Posada Hotel, built in the 1930s. Fred Harvey, Santa Fe, Mary Coulter, masterpiece. Terry and Scott are actually doing a tour of it right now, so if you want to check that out, you can always see their video. This is the corner of 2nd Street. Flagstaff is actually straight that way, and Albuquerque is to the right. Here are some of the buildings. I actually remember that restaurant. That's where we all ate the last time we were here. And I'm going to continue further down. What you think, Moo-moo, huh? This is an unusual sculpture right here. It is the Falling Meteor, number 2, 1976. So the sign says there, the world's smallest church. So the painting above is Mail Order Bride, and it was painted by M.H. Bradshaw. Well, they have some eagles playing in the background. There's the corner of Winslow right there. Route 66, Arizona. Standing on the corner of Winslow, Arizona. I actually need to go in that shop and grab a sticker because my other one got messed up. There is the flatbed Ford truck. And there's the iconic statue. So they're doing a mural restoration fundraiser where they're standing on the corner, and they have reached about a little over 20,000, but their goal is 30,000. Route 66, roadside attraction, standing on the corner park, Winslow, Arizona. This was dedicated on September 11th, 1999. As a tribute to the memorable song of the 1970s that made Winslow, Arizona a town to sing about on famous Route 66. Well, the song does say take it easy, so we're sitting on the bench here. Take it easy. Moo-moo posing for her photo op on the historic Route 66 bench. So we're back at the world's smallest church. Wow, that's actually very beautiful in here. I love old rustic buildings. Journey to Winslow. So here's some information if you'd like to pause and read. Early trails across the Little Colorado River Valley. There's the Beale Wagon Road. Mormon's Church. Neat. They have a memorial here. Oh, that's nice. It is dedicated to all the veterans who have served our country. Moo-moo's being such a good girl, waiting on me. And sunbathing. You're so good, Moo-moo. Such a good girl. Alright, you ready to go? Alright, let's go. Good girl, come on. Welcome to Maria's Mexican Food. This is where we all ate the last time we were here. They have a special. 2 cheese enchiladas, 1 ground beef taco, $6.25 plus tax. Yep, it's as cute as it was before. Moo-moo was here too, weren't you, Moo-moo? She's like, I remember this place. Alright, come on. Good girl. Headed back to the RV because I want to grab some money so I can get another Winslow, Arizona sticker. I forgot to wish everybody happy Halloween. I had put Panda's eyeballs up there. Get out, Bubble. All right. Nice. Love it. We're back on 40 West heading towards Flagstaff, but we're actually going to stop before Flagstaff at a casino and probably wait there. Sal and Sharon decided to stay one more night in Winslow, and they're going to meet us either at the casino or maybe at the Vanville, not quite sure. So, yeah, you can see way in the distance the big, huge mountain that's in Flagstaff. So we made a quick stop, and the mountain I was talking about is Mount Eldon. It has 2 peaks on it, which are San Francisco and Humphreys. This is where we decided to stop. It's the old Meteor City Trading Post, and it is abandoned. This is one of the teepees on the property. Wow, looks like someone may possibly lived in here. No, looks like tumbleweeds and trash. So I'm sure the wind blew it in here. Maybe someone stayed in here. Who knows? Looks like someone was partying. It's really loud out here because all the trucks. But it's a shame that people want to graffiti things just because they're closed down. I'm not sure what that's supposed to be. It looks like a meteor with a mohawk on it, since it is Meteor City. Oh, I love that. That's beautiful. What you think, Moo-moo, huh? Sniff, sniff. Looks like someone scaled the wall to paint some graffiti. I'm not sure exactly what that's supposed to be. There's a couple more teepees out that way. We're gonna go ahead and get back on the road. Too bad it's closed down. Looks like it would have been a neat stop.
Did you see that it's under surveillance?
Oh, yeah.
And there's no power even ran. Here.
I know. It says no trespassing under surveillance, but it's probably because so many people have graffitied it.
Oh,
so,
that makes sense.
Yeah, they just try to keep people away.
Tell them go to your channel if they want to see the ruins.
I just showed the inside of one teepee.
Was it scary in there?
A lot of trash, and so yeah, it looked like someone was having a party in there.
Oh.
All right.
Okay.
So we've decided. Oh, wait. What is that? What is that thing right there?
The derrick, oil derrick.
Oh, okay. We've decided to pull off on the side of the road because we saw this strange thing in the distance way over there. You see it? But there's a sign that says no trespassing. I'm going to see if I can zoom in. So it says no trespassing. We will not be going any further than this. Moo was like, what's over there? I wanna explore. It's way out there, so I had to get my zoom lens. I thought it was some kind of like old castle, but it seems to be some just older building. Looked like it had 2 stories on it. Still neat looking though. Go, Moo-moo, go. Alright, it is time to get back on the road.
Google Maps, you can see that building up on there, and the road that we were sitting on was the old,
Turn left onto the ramp to I-4 West.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool. So it used to be the old Route 66. I bet you could see that building at one time then.
yeah, you drove right by it. That whole road there was
Merge onto I-40 West.
Cool. Alright, so we're about 15 miles away from the casino. At this rate, we'll never make it, but I don't think we have any other stops. So we should be there soon.
Take the next left.
Alright, we've made it here to Twin Arrows Casino. And this is right off of I-40 West at exit 219. I'm not sure where I'm supposed to park. I guess I'll go this way. I see trucks down this way. Oh, truck parking only, crap. Okay, well, I'm gonna get turned around and figure out where the RV parking is. Don't follow me, y'all. This is truck parking only, so I've got to turn around and we can figure out where the RV parking is. I have no clue.
not RV parking this way, but we can see what they've got.
Roger. I guess you can come this way. I saw an RV way on the other side. Resort entrance, and yep, there's where the RVs are. Over to the left-hand side. Yeah, I see some to the left over here. There's there's a dog just wandering free. Well, he's gonna get hit. Oh, poor dog, just wandering around.
Not very well, but they're watching him.
Oh, okay. There was someone watching him. Okay.
Yeah, trucker. Or I let him go all the time.
Probably. Okay, here it is. It says RV parking. As you can see, when we pulled in, there is no hookups here. It's just RV parking in their parking lot, which is fine by me. And I believe I'm going to go inside and check out and see what they have. If they have a buffet, I'm definitely going to take advantage of that if it's not too late. So, yeah. Alright, we're heading into the casino because we is hungry. And we're going to see if they have anything to eat. It's supposed to get like 28 degrees tonight. Brr, it's gonna be cold.
Cold.
Cold! Oh my, look at that. That is wonderfully beautiful. We are here in the hotel lobby area. Huh. What is that?
It's a reflection.
Oh, it looks like it goes on forever. He's like, don't fall in the hole. They have the hotel lobby. I believe that is a restaurant, steakhouse, and there's the casino.
Frankenstein monster. It's Frankenstein.
Oh, Frankenstein. Happy Halloween. Look at all the pumpkins that they've carved. Oh my god, I love that one. That's like the Day of the Dead.
Yeah. Oh, look at this one though. Look at that crazy one in here.
Oh my goodness. That's creepy.
Okay, but this one's kind of funny.
He's eating the other pumpkins. Mean big pumpkin. So here are all their pumpkin heads. Oh, look at that one. That's different. Wow. It's neat. I love that one. Look at that one right there. Look, with the glitter. Yeah, I already saw that one.
Cool.
That is cool.
Very neat.
Neato.
I looked it up last night to see if they were having a costume thingy, but it didn't say anything, so.
Oh,
Dress up.
we should have gotten in costume. Dang it. We've already seen like 3 or 4.
Or the Three Stooges. So.
Yes, that'll work. All right, well, they did have a buffet, and it is seafood. It is, it's $20, so, but yummy. Crabbies. Round 2, prime rib. Oh, that looks so good. And of course, some more crab legs. And last but definitely not least, dessert. Chocolate cake, Rice Krispie, some fluffy thing with white stuff in it, peanut butter cookie, and banana pudding. It's all small. Alright everybody, well, I'm so stuffed and full. I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me. Hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. Bye everybody. Love y'all.